Two giants of workflow and customer management, Salesforce and ServiceNow, go head-to-head. Which one really delivers? On the left, Salesforce, where the customer is always front and center. And on the right, ServiceNow, orchestrating workflows, not just customers. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect.
So here's a little mind map of how I'm going to break this down for you. We'll look at their core focus, how quick you can get rolling, AI and automation, because, hello, it's 2025, integrations, how they scale for different industries, pricing, which is always like, service management chops, and finally, their strategic roadmap. Cool? You can already guess, there's a lot to unpack.
Okay, let's kick things off with core focus. First, ServiceNow. If you need enterprise-grade IT automation, like you want to control everything from ticketing to complex workflows, this is where ServiceNow just nails it. IT service management, they basically wrote the book. It integrates so easily with legacy systems, it's almost suspicious. Now, the flip side, CRM has always been kinda meh for them. But honestly, they are catching up fast. Now, Salesforce, this is like the big name in CRM. You want a 360 view of your customers? Unified journey from sales to service to marketing, they're the standard. However, if you want deep IT workflows, Salesforce, let's face it, doesn't go as deep. Who wins? Honestly, it's a tie. The platforms serve distinct masters. Let's move on to implementation and speed. ServiceNow first. It's shockingly fast to get going if your team deals with IT service ops. Like the templates, the workflows, the onboarding, super turnkey for that world. But their CRM stuff, you'll be tinkering for a while if that's your main goal. Now, Salesforce, you get lightning deployment for anything sales or marketing. Sales teams spin up their dashboards in like minutes. Of course, if you try to do pure IT workflows here, feels a little forced. So, who's faster? Honestly, depends what you need. So this one's a draw.
So now, let's talk about AI and automation.
ServiceNow is kind of sneaky awesome here. Their Now Assist, summaries, automatic replies, even predicting what happens next. If you obsess about process optimization, you'll love it. Though it's more about the back end than customer chatbots. Salesforce brings Einstein AI. Think predictive insights right in sales, marketing, and even agent support. Their Agentforce Copilot is legit cool for guiding customer service. But if you care about back-end operations, ServiceNow still holds the edge. Again, tough to pick. They both have impressive tools, so yep, tie. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know that 85% of Fortune 500 companies use ServiceNow, while Salesforce powers customer ops for brands like Shopify and H&M? Just a fun fact while we geek out over enterprise tech. Are integrations your headache? Okay, ServiceNow first. It's built for those gnarly IT ops setups. Plug it into your old systems, custom workflows, whatever. It's almost like magic. The trade-off, though, is it doesn't wow with CRM app integrations out of the box. With Salesforce, their App Exchange is legendary. You want a tool for sales, marketing, automation? There's probably 5 versions already built. But when you want deep IT integration, you'll need extra help, maybe third-party stuff. So again, both nail their core world, but it's a tie for overall integrations. Industries and scalability. This is where things get spicy. ServiceNow is a beast for IT, healthcare, finance, government, manufacturing. Massive enterprise, you scale forever. But if you're a small sales-focused shop, probably overkill. Salesforce, though, is basically made for sales, marketing, service, retail, SMB up to huge enterprises. Grow fast, tweak as you go. But guess what? When you want complex operational workflows, ServiceNow is more robust. So, winner for CRM? Salesforce. Winner for IT enterprise stuff? ServiceNow.
Let's talk pricing. ServiceNow gives you flexible modules, standard, pro, enterprise.
You build your stack. But yeah, for small teams, prepare for sticker shock. Salesforce is super transparent. Per user pricing, wide range. But add-ons and integrations, the bill creeps up fast. Seriously, almost every big feature is an extra cost. So neither gets brownie points. It's a draw.
All right, service management time.
ServiceNow. Holy smokes, this is their kingdom. Incident, change, problem, asset management, they just ace this. Need end-to-end resolution, so like a customer case triggers IT ops work, they make it seamless. It even reduces incident volume, speeds everything up. Their CSM,
customer service management, is still catching up, but it gets better every year. Now, over to Salesforce. The Service Cloud? If you want all-channel customer support, unified customer records for every agent, personalized touches, chef's kiss. But their ITSM features, they're kind of, bare bones. No CMDB, no deep IT integrations unless you build from scratch. Winner here. ServiceNow for ITSM, Salesforce for customer service management.
And finally, strategic roadmap. ServiceNow is on a mission for enterprise automation. More AI, more workflow innovation. They are starting to move into CRM, but are still catching up. Salesforce is doubling down on customer engagement strategies, entering ITSM, but not quite ServiceNow level yet. Both are evolving super fast, but neither has made the full jump into the other's core turf, at least yet. So, a tie for now. Let's pull up the radar chart to give you a big picture view. You can see the scores are pretty neck and neck across most categories, but those standout strengths in ITSM for ServiceNow and CRM for Salesforce are super clear. If you're still undecided, hang tight. My final thoughts coming up. Okay, here's where I land. Salesforce is hands down the tool for anyone obsessed with customers. Sales, service, marketing, you live for automation, integrated journeys. You go here. ServiceNow, it's untouchable for IT operations, workflow orchestration, and keeping every process running like clockwork. In 2025, both are trying to cross over. ServiceNow is building out CRM with serious AI, and Salesforce is getting bold with ITSM features. But honestly, their strengths are still pretty distinct. So pick what matches your workflows. Don't get lost in the hype. If you found this helpful, don't forget, bookmark this for your next showdown between tech platforms. Let me know what you want compared next